Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to post Instagram story on PC. So let's get started. For that reason, first of all, let me just open up the Google Chrome right away. Here is the Google Chrome. Then you need to type in instagram.com. Go to this website instagram.com, and if we just simply go to the profile on the right side, tapping on that, and as you can see, we don't getting any of the story option. So if we just simply go with this profile icon, if we just tap on that, we got the option to change the profile photo, but didn't get the option to upload a story. So if we just tap on this plus icon, we got the new highlight option, but we didn't get any story posting option. So for that reason, we need to go back to Instagram homepage like this, and then from here on the right side you need to right click on your mouse and you will need to go to the inspect option. Over here just tap on the inspect, and from here you need to select this icon, which is the toggle device toolbar option. You need to tap on this option right over here, just tap on that, and from here then as you can see we got the dimension. So you can be select responsive and any of this doesn't matter, just go with any of this. Like I will go with iPhone 14 Pro Max, I will go with that. And then as you can see we got the icon like this, so plus icon, you can simply go with the plus icon. But before that you need to check out that you are you getting the profile photo of yours with the plus icon. As you can see we didn't get the plus icon profile picture right over here, so we need to reload the page again. So it will load, and as you can see now we got the profile picture with the plus icon. So now if we just tap on that, and it will ask for the photo. So let's just go with another photo just like this one, and now we can add to the story. Just tap on the add to the story and we will be done. So I hope this video might help you out in many ways. If this works, please comment down below and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. So have a great day.